Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the screen wake feature on your Fitbit watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This is super easy to do, so let's begin. You can get to these options quickly by swiping down from the top on your Fitbit and then selecting the Quick Settings button. The bottom right option in the Quick Settings here is for the screen wake. Set it to auto motion if you want the watch to light up when you flick your wrist. If you just want your watch to light up when you tap the side button, then change the option to manual. You can also access these settings by swiping right from the watch face until you find the Settings app. Here in the main settings you can find the options for screen waking too. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.